Hi, I'm Pete LaSavio, Certified Elder Law Attorney. The Department of Health has issued new numbers concerning Medicaid eligibility for 2019. The Community Spouse Resource Allowance has been increased to $126,420. The monthly maintenance needs allowance for a non-institutionalized spouse has been increased to $3,160.50. The home equity exclusion has been increased to $585,000. Other numbers have remained the same. The personal needs allowance to an institutionalized person in a nursing home remains at $38. The resource allowance for a single person in a nursing home remains at $2,000. If both the husband and wife are in a nursing home, the number remains at $3,000. The divisor penalty remains at $5,000 per month. If you need any further information concerning Medicaid eligibility, please contact us at 225-769-4200. Thank you.